Here we can see the roof vent is open. We have finished putting up the plank of wood that the roof vent is screwed into, and now we are currently cladding over it. We'll then cut out a hole specifically to fit, but I'm just going to run you through how we actually made the roof vent. So there is. Okay, so I have made the framework for the roof vent. So this is going to be going towards the back of the van. We're going to drill some pilot holes and then jigsaw out the template. Okay, so roof vent day. We have jigsawed out a 39cm by 39cm square. That is going to fit our Fiamma roof vent skylight. So we've measured that out. Luckily it fits. We've then glued a wooden frame to the inside of the van. We've used some adhesive to stick that up. That's all dried. So now what I'm going to do is just clean around where the air vent is going to be sitting. I'm going to use this T-cut just to really get the grime up, and it really does polish it off really nice. Once that's done, I will be using butyl tape to put around the edges of the gap, and then we will put the air vent in and screw it down. And there we have it. The Fiamma roof vent is installed. So I put the butyl about an inch under the lip, the edge of the air vent, slided it on, pushed it on, and then just screwed it into place. And then just over all the little screws I've put another piece of butyl just as an attempt to seal it. You're going to see how that sticks, and then I might go round the edges with an exterior sealant just to make it extra waterproof. But yeah, that's it, looking good. Also from the inside, so we can see from the inside the wooden frame that it has been screwed into, nice and secured on. And then when we've finished the panelling on the roof, we will put this, will screw up onto there, so it'll have a nice interior finish, and you can wind up the air vent to let some light and air in.